Optional chaining in JavaScript. Let's take a look at that. Here we have one user object. Inside that we have one key address, and then we have one nested object, and inside that we have name, zip code. Now suppose that if we want to access this zip and try to put it inside a variable, how we can do that? For that, first we will declare that variable, and then we will use this if, and then here we will write our whole conditions, like if the user object exists and inside that user.address exists, then we will try if the user.address.street exists, and then we will check if zip code also exists, and finally if all the conditions are true, then only we can assign. So here we have written that zip code is equal to user.address.street.zip code, and this code will only execute if all these conditions are true, and if these conditions are not true, we will write a else statement, and inside that we will just write zip code not applicable. Print this zip code. As we can see in the console, we have successfully printed this zip code. Now if we will just remove this zip code, and if we again try to print this, then we can see we have NA over here. Now if we remove this else block in the console, we have undefined here, but with the help of optional chaining, we can do these things with the help of very easy steps. So this is how we can use optional chaining. So here I have written user, then question mark, after that simple dot is there, and then we will check if address is there or not, and after that we will check if street is there or not, and then we can check if zip code is also there. And suppose if this is not going to happen, then we will simply write here or statement. Alright, let's save this, print the zip code. Here we can see we have printed NA. Now if we just write here zip code 1 2 3 4 5, let's save it. We have zip code inside the console. So this was all about the optional chaining. If you really enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and save this reel for the future.